Okay then guys, I've been asked to make a few different salads. So this one is a halloumi and orange salad with fennel seed dressing. But I'm changing it around a little bit and I'm adding some mozzarella as well. You can add just mozzarella or just halloumi if you want. So we need some fennel seeds, some pine nuts, halloumi or mozzarella or both, olive oil, some watercress, an orange, some orange juice, cooked beetroot if you want, but I like it because it adds a little bit of colour, and some sea salt to taste. So first up, tablespoon of fennel seeds in the frying pan, dry fry them. Takes about a minute, 2 minutes. They're getting there, not smoking yet, mind. Just have a bit. There we are, that'll do for them. Save those in there. Let's get me a little scraper. And the same with about 50 grams of pine nuts. And don't forget, it'll all be in the description down below. So that's 100 grams. I'm not going to weigh it, so that'll be half a packet. This should serve about 4 people. Here we are then, you see they're changing colour, look. And that'll do for them. They go slightly oily when they're ready. Right, if you're using halloumi, now I've got a big bit here, I'm going to use half a pack of this. I say half a pack, it's folded in half. I've never seen that before. Save that bit. Okay, I'm going to pat that dry. Just a sprinkle of oil on here. Ooh. I'm just going to fry it about a minute on each side just to get it nice and golden. There we are, not far off. That'll do. Don't want to go mad. And that's it with the cooker. I'm just going to chop this into big chunks. And turn my board around. Now I'm making this for 2 people. Like I said, it'll do. You could do it for 4, but this is for 2. So that's 80 grams of watercress in there. And what I'm going to do, just going to quickly snip this down a little bit. That's it. Could do it on a chopping board, but this is just as easy, isn't it? Don't like the look of that bit, so that's good in there. That's the watercress in with the pine nuts. Now I will probably sneeze during this because I am allergic to oranges, or the orange peel. So let's see. It might be alright actually. Oh no, it's spraying. I can smell it already. One of my numerous allergies. Trouble is, I like oranges. Cool. There we go. Do it in with the segments. Here we are. Let's give that a good stir up already. Right, we want to crush about half of the fennel seeds. And we'll save the rest for the dressing. Oh, you can smell the aroma coming off those now. Put those in a bowl. In with about 2 tablespoons of OJ. A little bit of olive oil. Give it a quick taste. Yeah, a little bit of salt needed. Ooh, that's nice and licoricey. And like I said, I'm using half mozzarella, half halloumi. So we use half of that. Remember to put this back in the fridge, Steve. So a few smaller pieces. In with the halloumi. Now this is where you can omit the beetroot if you want, but I'm going to put them in just for a bit of colour. Here we go, look like a mad axe murderer again here. Dead small pieces with these. I say these, I might just put the one in actually. Yes, I think I will. Give that a bit of a mix up. Get a few of the pieces on top ready for a photograph. And then on with the rest of the pine nuts. Pine nuts, fennel seeds, fennel. Right, nothing fancy for this one, because they get stuck right in here. Try and get a bit of everything in there. No, yeah, we will. Oh, what a combination. You got the orange and the fennel and the pine nut. Yeah. That is really good. I'll put a bit of halloumi, here it is. That is certainly different, guys, and it is very, very tasty. Bit of squeaky cheese there. Yeah, loving this one. Loving this one. I'll be having this tonight with my chicken Kiev. Chicken Kiev and halloumi orange salad with a fennel seed dressing. Brilliant. Catch you on the next recipe, guys.